Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, the Digital Institute of Computing Technology. In this presentation, we will have discussion on the topic Operators in C programming language. The table shows the various operators and their categories provided with the C programming language. Let's understand each of this. Arithmetic operators. They perform basic arithmetic operations between two numbers, like plus for addition, minus for subtraction, star for multiplication, slash for division, etc. Relational operators. They compare two values and return a Boolean result, like equal, not equal, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, etc. Logical operations. They perform logical operations between Boolean values, like and, or, not, etc. Bitwise operations perform bit level operations like and, or, XOR, not, left shift, right shift, etc. Assignment operators. They assign values to a variable with or without performing operations, like assign, add and assign, subtract and assign, multiply and assign, divide and assign, modulus and assign, etc. Increment or decrement operator. They are used to increase or decrease the value of a variable by 1. Conditional operator. A ternary operator used for conditional expressions. Comma operator. It is used to separate two or more expressions. Size of operator. Size of is used to determine the size of a data type or a variable. Typecast operator, used to convert a variable from one type to another type. Pointer operators are used to define a pointer variable or to dereference a pointer. Ampersand is used to get the address of a variable. Member access operator, used to access the members of a structure or union. Let's take one simple example for each. Arithmetic operator. Let's try to evaluate an arithmetic expression a star b plus a minus b. So this is a compound expression with multiplication, addition and subtraction. Initial values of a and b are 10 and 3. The output in this case is result 37. Right. Next, relational operators. Let's try to evaluate a relational expression a greater than b and c less than a. This is a compound expression with greater than and less than operators. Initial values of a, b and c are 10, 3 and 7 respectively. The output in this case is result 1. Logical operators. Let's try to evaluate a logical expression a greater than b and b less than c or variable a equal to 10. This is a compound expression with logical and, or and equality operators. Initial values of a, b and c are 10, 3 and 7 respectively. The output in this case is 1. Bitwise operators. Let's try to evaluate an expression a bitwise and with b, bitwise OR with a, bitwise XOR with b. This is a compound expression with AND, OR and XOR operators. Initial values of a and b are 5, which is 0, 1, 0, 1 in binary, and 9, which is 1, 0, 0, 1 in binary. The output in this case is 13, 1, 1, 0, 1 in binary. Assignment operators. Let's try to evaluate an expression a addition assigned to b multiplied with 2. This is a compound expression with addition, assignment and multiplication. Initially, the values of a and b are 10 and 3. The output in this case is result 16. conditional or ternary operator. Let's try to evaluate an expression based on whether A is greater than B or not. If A is greater than B, result is A plus B, otherwise it is A minus B. This is a compound expression using the ternary operator. Initial values of A and B are 10 and 3. The output in this case is result 13. Now let's consider precedence and associativity in C programming language. Precedence determines the order in which different operators in an expression are evaluated. Operators with higher precedence are evaluated before operators with lower precedence. Associativity determines the order in which operators of same precedence level are processed. It can either be left to right or right to left. When we say left to right, operators are evaluated from left to right. When we say right to left, operators are evaluated from right to left. As you can see, the table in the left side, parenthesis, array script, and member access operator has the highest precedence, and the comma operator has the least precedence. Now let's consider a few simple C programming examples to understand this operator precedence and associativity. Parentheses have the highest precedence in this example. So 2 plus 1 is evaluated first, resulting in 3. Then 3 star 3 is evaluated, giving 9. The output in this case is result 9. Next, multiplication. Star has higher precedence than addition, it is plus. So 3 star 4 is evaluated first, resulting in 12. Then 2 plus 12 is evaluated, giving 14. Array script has high precedence, so ARR of 2 will access the third element of the array, which is 3. The output in this case is value 3. Relational operators, greater and less than, have higher precedence than logical AND. So 5 greater than 3 and 2 less than 4 are evaluated first, both resulting in true, that is value 1. Then 1 ANDed with 1 is evaluated, resulting in 1. The output in this case is result 1. Postfix increment, A plus plus returns the value before incrementing. So B is assigned 5 and then A becomes 6. The ternary conditional operator has lower precedence than relational operators, but higher than assignment. Here, A greater than B is evaluated first, resulting in 1, which is true. Thus, A is assigned to result. The output in this case is result 10. Now, let's see some more examples. Let's see a little complex expression in this case. 10 minus 5 plus 4 divided by 2 less than 4 plus 2 is the expression that we need to evaluate. How do we evaluate this? First, you see which one has the highest precedence in this expression. It is a slash, right? So we'll evaluate that first. Next, we have operators minus, plus, less than, plus, plus, and minus have the same precedence. And the associativity is from left to right. So minus gets the highest priority. So 10 minus 5 is evaluated. We get 5. And then once again, 5 is added with 2 to get 7. Because minus is leftmost, the next leftmost is plus. So we get 5 plus 2, 7. Next, between less than and 4 plus 2, which has the highest precedence? The precedence of less than is 8, whereas the precedence of plus and minus is 6. So evaluate plus to get 6. So finally, we have 7 less than 6, which is false. That gives the answer 0. So the output of this expression is 0 by following the precedence and associativity rules. Let's try to evaluate an expression 100 plus 200 by 10 minus 3 into 10. Here division operator and multiplication operator has same precedence, that is star and slash. But what is the associativity between them? Left to right. That means operator at the left, that is slash, will be evaluated first. So we will evaluate 200 by 10 first, we get 20. Then we will evaluate 3 into 10, which is 30. Finally, we get 100 plus 20 minus 30. Once again, you have plus and minus. For plus and minus, the precedence is 6. But what is the associativity? It is left to right. So the left one will be evaluated first. We get 120. Then we will subtract 30 to get 90. So the output of this expression is 90. Hope you liked and enjoyed the presentation. Remain connected with us by subscribing to this channel for latest updates on this channel. Thank you.